Struggling with hair that's dry, brittle, or damaged from coloring, heat styling, or chemical treatments? Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Conditioner promises to bring your hair back to life. Packed with keratin protein and argan oil, this conditioner doesn't just mask damage, it works deep to rebuild and strengthen each strand. If you want hair that feels healthier, looks shinier, and moves with natural elasticity, this could be the solution you've been searching for. I've seen firsthand how this conditioner changes the game. For over 2 decades, users have trusted it to keep their hair in great shape, even through years of harsh treatments. One loyal customer, now 75, shared how it keeps her hair bright and shiny, earning compliments from strangers. That's the kind of consistent, proven performance that matters when you're investing in your hair's health. The formula is free from sulfates, phosphates, and parabens, so it nourishes without stripping away natural oils or causing buildup. Using Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Conditioner is simple but effective. After shampooing, just apply it from mid-length to ends, leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. What you get is hair that feels softer, looks revitalized, and is better protected against future damage. It's a straightforward step with a big payoff, especially if your hair needs a boost in strength and moisture. If that's you, this conditioner is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to give your hair the care it deserves.